Add 250-gram biscuits. Crush them up finely. Pour into a bowl. Add 150-gram melted, unsalted butter. Mix until combined. Pour into a 9-inch tin. Spread evenly. Press down firmly and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Cream cheese 400 grams. Powdered sugar 65 grams. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Whisk until smooth. Add the strawberry puree 250 grams. Whisk until well combined and set aside. Gelatin 12 grams. Hot water 3 tablespoons. Mix until fully dissolved. Pour into the cheesecake mixture. Whisk until well combined and set aside. Cold whipping cream 500 milliliters. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Add 3/4 of the whipped cream to the cheesecake mixture and fold until combined. Pour onto the biscuit base. Smooth it out and refrigerate for 4 hours. Spread the strawberry puree on top of the cheesecake. Pipe on the remaining whipped cream. Add some halved strawberries. Enjoy!